Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss a numerical 5 on the compensated semiconductor. So the numerical is given like this. Figures below shows the plot of log E rho versus 1 by T, where this rho is the resistivity of the materials for two different materials A and B. Assume mu, that is mobility, is proportional to the temperature to the power minus 3 by 2. So find which material has higher band gap, that is Eg. So a plot has been given, and in the x axis it is reciprocal of the temperature, and in the y axis it is ln of the resistivity, and the plot is given for two materials A and B. So we have to calculate which material will have a higher band gap, that is Eg. Now we know that the conductivity of any material is given by this equation, that is Ni into Q into mu n plus mu p to the power 1, and we also know that Ni value has root over A0 into t to the power 3 by 2 exponential minus Eg0 divided by 2 kT. Now if we put this Ni value in this equation 1, then it will become like this: sigma is equals to root over A0 t to the power 3 by 2 exponential minus Eg0 divided by 2 kT into Q into mu n plus mu p. Now the mu value, that is the mobility of the carriers, has been given, that mobility value is proportional to the temperature to the power minus 3 by 2. So we can assume that both the mobility for electrons will be proportional to the temperature to the power 3 by 2. Similarly, the mobility for the holes can also be written as proportional to t to the power minus 3 by 2. Now this mobility value can be substituted in this position. So if we substitute this mobility value in this equation 2, then it will be like this: sigma is equals to A0 root over t to the power 3 by 2 exponential minus Eg0 divided by 2 kT mu n 0 t to the power minus 3 by 2 plus mu p0 t to the power minus 3 by 2 into Q, where this mu n is written as mu n 0. This is the proportionality constant, t to the power minus 3 by 2. Similarly, mu p is written as mu p0 into t to the power minus 3 by 2. So, from this equation we can say that it will be, after simplification, root over of A0. So, t to the power 3 by 2 exponential minus Eg0 by 2kt into mu n0 plus mu p0 into t to the power minus 3 by 2 into q. So, this t to the power minus 3 by 2 will cut down with this t to the power plus 3 by 2. So, these t terms will be cutted down. So, we will get root over A0 exponential minus Eg0 divided by 2kt mu n0 plus mu p0 into q. So, this is the conductivity equation for this material. Similarly, we can calculate the value of the resistivity. It is nothing but the reciprocal of the conductivity value, that is 1 by root over of A0 exponential minus Eg0 divided by 2kt into mu n0 plus mu p0 into q. So, in the graph they have taken ln of rho. So, we will take ln of rho. So, after taking ln of rho, we can find that it will be minus ln root over A0 plus ln mu 0 plus mu p0 into q plus Eg0 divided by 2kt. Now, this equation is a simple straight line equation. So, we can write so in this straight line equation, the slope of the straight line is equals to Eg0 by 2k. Now, from the graph, if we look at the graph, then we can see that the slope of A is greater than the slope of B. So, using this conclusion, we can say that the slope of A is greater than the slope of B, and also we know that slope value is proportional to the energy band gap value at t equals to 0. So, we can say that the energy band gap of the material A will be greater than the energy band gap of the material B. So, the answer is the material A will have higher band gap energy than the material B. So, this is all about this problem on numerical, and thank you.